Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rehan Haider and I am from Asia level student at Rehan School Islamabad, Bharat campus. Today I watched Direct Talk video by title is Moving Forward by Jannat Ali. Moving Forward by Jannat Ali is an inspiring and emotionally grounded direct talk style that focuses on one of the most important lessons in life. No matter how difficult the past has been, the only way to truly grow is to keep moving forward. The talk is not just motivational in a surface level sense, but it deeply connects with human emotions, struggles, and the everyday challenges people face in their personal journey. At the core of the speech is the idea that life is a continuous process of change. Generally highlights that people often get stuck in their past mistakes, failures, or painful experience. These moments can create emotional barriers that stop individuals from progressing. However, the talk gently but firmly encourage the audience to understand that staying stuck in the past doesn't change it, it only limits the future. Moving forward, therefore, becomes not just a choice but a necessity for personal peace and growth. One of the strongest message in the talk is the redefinition of failure. Instead of seeing failure as something negative or final, it is presented as a stepping stone forward toward improvement. Every mistake, according to the message, carries a lesson that shapes a stronger version of ourselves. Generally emphasizes that successful people are not those who never fail, but those who refuse to stay down after failing. This perspective helps shift the mindset from fear of failure to acceptance of growth through experience. The talk also explored emotional resilience. Life, as described in the message, is unpredictable. There are moments of happiness, but also times of disappointment, rejection, and confusion. In such situations, emotional strength becomes essential. The speaker encourages the audience to build inner stability so that external do not completely control their mental state. This resilience is what allows a person to continue moving forward even when motivation is low. Another important theme themselves is self-belief and personal responsibility. Generally stressed that while support from others is valuable, real transformation begins within oneself. No one else can walk for your journey for you. Believing in your own ability to improve, adapt, and overcome challenge is the foundation of progress. Without self-belief, even opportunities may feel incorrigible, but with it, even difficult paths become possible. The talk also touches on patience. Moving forward is not always fast or visible. Something progress is slow, quick, and almost predictable. However, consistency matters more than speed. The speaker reminds the audience that even small steps taken daily eventually lead to meaningful change. This idea is especially powerful for those who feel stuck or discouraged by slow progress in life. Emotionally, the talk creates a sense of hope. It doesn't deny the existence of pain or struggle, but it places them within a larger trajectory where they are temporary phases rather than permanent conditions. This helps the audience feel understood rather than judged. It reassures them that struggling doesn't mean failure. It simply means they are in the process of becoming stronger. In conclusion, moving forward by generally is a deeply motivational and reflective talk that encourage individuals to let go of the past, accept their imperfection, and continue their journey with courage. It delivers a timeless message. Life is not about never failing or falling, but about always rising again. The talk gives the audience will a renewed sense of hope, reminding them that as long as they are moving forward, they are already succeeding. So we were, this is my TEDx Talk review. I hope you like it. Inshallah, we meet next TEDx Talk video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.